Hello everyone. So 2 days back I gave you the assignment. So now I'm going to solve all the assignment problems. Just look at this video very carefully. Fine. Question number 1. A is to B is equal to 3 is to 8. 7A plus 2B is to 7A minus 2B. Okay, there are two methods we can have, but fine. Let us have the direct method. What is it? Sir, 7 into 3 plus B 2 into B 2 into 8. 7 into 3 minus 2 into 8. This is the simplest one. 21 plus 16, which is nothing but what? 37. 21 minus 16, 5. Is our answer is 37 is to 5? Okay. Next one. 3a plus 2b is to 3a minus 2b is 9 is to 5. So here they ask you to find out a is to b. What they ask you to find out? A is to b. I will give you one method. Sir, trial and error method. Of course, you know the trial and error method. I will give some other method. Okay. What is it? 3a plus 2b divided by 3a minus 2b is equal to 9 by 5. Apply componendo dividendo. You know componendo dividendo, right? Numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. So what exactly you are going to get? 3a plus 2b plus 3a minus 2b divided by 3a plus 2b minus 3a plus 2b is equal to 9 plus 5 by 9 minus 5, which is equal to what? 14 by 4. When you add the 6a by 4b, 6a by 4b, 14 by 4, 4 get cancelled, 3 2s are, 7 2s are. Bring this 3 here. So a by b is equal to 7 by 3, which is our answer is 7 is to 3. If you are trying trial and error method, what happens? If you are trying trial and method, what happens? You will be first first you will take option A, not satisfying option B, option C. But when you apply componendo dividendo, direct answer we can get. Even this step is not needed. Once you are applying componendo dividendo, numerator is going to be 2 times of the first part, denominator is going to be 2 times of the second part. That is 6a by 4b. After applying componendo dividendo, that is what you are going to get. Okay, so please understand this. Okay, next one. Sum number 3 let us do. What is sum number 3 is? A is to B is to C equal to 2 is to 1 is to 3. 2a minus 3b plus C equal to 8. Then what is A plus B plus C is? What is A plus B plus C is? Now listen here. Let me give you one trick. Okay. Let us take option A. Okay, what is it? Option A. First trial and error. Option A. What is 12? So can I say A plus B plus C is equal to 12, my dear? Let me take it. Sum of all the 3 numbers is 12. Trial and error method I am using. Sum of 3 numbers is 12. Now the ratio is 2 is to 1 is to 3. The ratio is 2 is to 1 is to 3. That means this is total 12. So first part is going to be 2 by 12. Okay. What is it? First part is going to be, 2 by 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 into 12 is equal to what? 4. 4 is to 2 is to 6. This is what you are going to get, my dear. Third part is what? 3 by 6 into 12. 4 is to 2 is to 6. Now look at this. Sir, what you are trying to communicate, sir? Now, if it is A, if it is B, if it is C, A plus B plus C is 12 we got. Same value I am going to substitute here. 2A minus 3B plus 6. 8 minus 6, 2 plus 6 is 8. Sir, satisfied, sir? Option A. Trial and error method. Simply use trial and error method, you will get the answer. Next one. A square plus B square is to A square minus B square equal to 41 is to 9. Then A cube plus B cube is to A cube minus B cube. Very simple procedure you follow. A square plus B square by A square minus B square is equal to 41 by 9. Apply componendo dividendo because here plus minus is there. I told you previous sum. When you apply componendo dividendo, left hand side will be 2 times the first part divided by 2 times the second part. Directly you can make it. So what exactly you are going to get? 2a square by 2b square is equal to 41 plus 9 divided by 41 minus 9. So 2 get cancelled. Can I say a square by b square is equal to 50 by 32, which is nothing but 25 by 16. Can we say 5 by 4, my dear? So our answer is A. Oh, sorry. But 5 by 4 is A by B. Sorry. Okay. But the question is A cube plus B cube by A cube minus B cube. So we have to find out a cube plus b cube divided by a cube minus b cube. So what is a cube plus b? A cube by b cube is it 5 by 4? 125 divided by 64. So what is it? Again component dividendo. A cube plus b cube divided by a cube minus b cube is equal to 125 plus 64, which is 189. 124 minus 64, which is 61. So our answer is option C. Okay, next one. Root of 13 plus x, root of 13 minus x divided by root of 13 minus plus x minus root of 13 minus x is equal to 5. We have to find the value of x. The best method is what, my dear? Trial and error method. Okay, trial and error method. First I am trying option A. What is it? I am trying option A. Look at this, what I am trying, my dear? Option A. So if I try option A, what exactly happen is 13 plus 4 is 17. No, it's a prime number. Under the root prime number I don't want. Fine. You take option B. B you say take. Okay, what is it? Option B you take. What you are going to get? 13 plus 5 is root 18. 13 minus 5 is root 8. Is that right, my dear? So what is it? I am taking option B. Root 18 by root 8 divided by, oh sorry, I am committing mistake. Root 18 plus root 8. Is that right, my dear? Okay, then we will apply component dividendo. Let us check whether we are getting it or not, because when I just apply x, this is what I am going to get. Okay, this is what I am going to get. This is equal to 5 by 1. Apply component dividendo. What you are going to get? Twice the first part divided by twice the second part is equal to 5 plus 1, 6 by 4. 2 get cancelled. 9s are, 4s are. Sir, you can write it as 3 by 2. So left hand side and right hand side are equal when you take 5. So x is equal to 5 is our answer. Directly we can make it, my dear. Okay. Next one. AB is equal to 1. Then 1 plus a by 1 by b is equal to, ab is equal to 1. Then 1 plus a by 1 by b is equal to. Such a simple sum, my dear. Can we say, my dear, a is equal to 1 by b? Is that right? So I can write it as a by 1 is equal to 1 by b. What is it? A by 1 is equal to 1 by b. Can we make it or not, my dear? A by 1 is equal to, yes, this way we can make it. Okay. Now listen here. See here, according to the option, what can be the answer? What is the question here? They ask you to find out 1 plus a by 1 plus b. What they ask you to find out? 1 plus a by 1 plus b they ask you to find out. What they ask you to find out? 1 plus a by 1 plus b. Is that right, my dear? So how to find out 1 plus a by 1 plus b? The answer is a minus 1 by 1 minus b. Of course, this is what going to be my answer. Okay. A, b is equal to 1. The question is 1 by 1 plus a by 1 plus b. So left hand side will be 1 plus a and 1 plus b. So apply component dividendo here. Okay, apply component dividendo. What you are going to get? Apply component dividendo. A plus 1 by a minus 1 is equal to 1 plus b by 1 minus b. Now alternando. What you are going to get? A plus 1 by 1 plus b is equal to a minus 1 by 1 minus b. A plus 1 and 1 plus a are one and the same. So directly we can take this, my dear. Therefore our option is C. Yes, next step. A car covers a distance of 150 km in 2 hours 40 minutes. 150 km in 2 hours 40 minutes. While a motorcycle covers the same distance in 2 hours. So 2 hours 40 minutes and in 2 hours. What is the ratio of their speeds? Very simple. 2 hours 40 minutes. What is it, sir? 160 minutes, sir. Both you convert into minutes. And 120 minutes, sir. Now convert into ratio. Are you getting 4:3, my dear? So our answer is 4:3. What is our answer? 4:3. Okay. Next, I don't want to do 8th sum. There is a mistake, it seems. Now 9th sum. How many 50, 25 and 10 paise coins, of which are the numbers are in the ratio 3:4:5, are together worth rupees 15? Okay. Now listen here. 50 paise, 25 paise and 10 paise coins. Total amount is 15. The ratio is 3:4:5. Option A, 3:4:5. Sir, first condition satisfied, sir. What is the second condition? Total amount should be 15. How to check the total amount, my dear? See, total 3 types of coin. 50 paise coin, 25 paise coin and a 10 paise coin. What is option A? 9, 12, 15. So 3 is to 4 is to 5. First condition satisfied. Second condition is total amount should be 15. Let me check. 9 into 9 coins are 9 50 paise coins. Total 4 rupees 50 paise. Do you agree? Plus 12 25 paise coin. That means 3 rupees. Do you agree? 15 10 paise coin. That means what? 1.5. So add everything. 6 plus 3 9. But actual amount is 15. So option A cannot be my answer. Go for option B. 12, 16, 20. Yes, sir. 3 is to 4 is to 5. Satisfying, sir. Next, 3 into 50 paise. 1 rupee 50 paise. Plus 16 into 25 paise, which is nothing but 4 rupees. 20 into 10 paise, which is nothing but 2 rupees. Is that right, my dear? Even this is also we are not getting 15. So leave it. Not possible. C. What exactly will come? C is nothing but 15. 20, 25. Yes, this is also 3 into 4 into 5. Let me check. 15 50 paise coins. 7 rupees 50 paise. 20 25 paise coin. 4 rupees. Not 4 rupees. 20 25 paise coin is what? 5 rupees. 25 10 paise coin plus 2.5. Yes, sir. We are getting 15 rupees, sir. Our answer is C. Fine. Next one. The ratio of two terms 1 is to 25. If 36 added to the second term, the ratio becomes 1 is to 28. The first term is, look at this. Ratio of the two terms is 1 is to 25 is given. Sir, can we use trial and error method? Of course, you can use trial and error method. For example, first term is 12. Second term must be 25 12s are 300. Okay. Yes. If I add 36 with them, I am getting 336. Now the new ratio becomes 1 is to 28. 12 is to 336 is nothing but 1 is to 28. If you want to simplify, you can simplify it. 28 12s are 1 is to 28. Answer is getting. So 12 is our answer. 11th sum. 3 friends divide 391 in the proportion 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. How much is the last share? How much is the last share? How much is the last share? Okay. Now listen here, my dear. It's a very simple sum, but I am telling you to apply the trial and error method. Sorry, actual method will be fine. 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. But I am going to use a trick. How to use the trick? I'll tell you. What is LCM of 2, 3 and 4? Sir, 12, sir. Multiply 12 in the numerator. Throughout by 12 in the numerator. So what you are going to get? 6 is 2. If I multiply by 12, 12 by 3 is 4. 4 2s are 8. 6 is to 8 is to 9 you will get. See, 12 by 2, 12 into 2, 24 by 3, 12 into 3, 36 by 4. Is it what? 6 into 8 is to 9? Now listen here, total amount is 391. How much is the last share? Last share, how to find it, I'll tell you. See, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 9 is what? 23. Yes, so if I have got 23 rupees, last person will get 9 rupees. But the person has got 391 rupees. Therefore, 9 by 23 into 391. Just cancel this, my dear. How many times? I think 17 times will come. What is it? 17 times. So 17 nines are 153. Option B. What least number must be added to each one? 6, 14, 18, 38 to make a proportion. So trial and error method. Option A is 2. 6 plus 2, 10. 16, 20, 40. Now check whether they are in proportion or not. Sir, 10 by 16. 5 by 8. 20 by 40. Oh, sorry, 10 by 16. Is it 5 by 8? Fine. Is it 20 by 40? Is it satisfying, my dear? 10, 16. Yeah, 5 by 8 is correct. 10, why 10? Sorry, 8. 4 by 8, which is nothing but 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. Option A. Okay. Now, next step. A's money to B's money. 4 is to 5. B's money to C's money. 2 is to 3. And C has 1500 rupees. Direct answer, my dear. Combined ratio you find out. 8 is to 10 is to 15. Now C has 1500 rupees. That means C share is 15. C share is 15. So common multiple I can have what? What I can have as a common multiple? 100, because 1500 divided by 15 is equal to 100. So what I do is I multiply 100 with each and every value, 800, 1000, 1500. Yes, this is what A share, B share, C share. So A has how much, my dear? 1000. Direct answer. Why to waste our time? Next, a bag contains 600 rupees in the form of 1 rupee, from the form of 1 rupee coin, 50 paise coin, 25 paise coin, in the ratio 3:4:12. We need to find out number of 25 paise coin. We need to find out number of 25 paise coin. Let me use trial and error method, my dear. What we are going to use? Trial and error method we are going to use. What we are going to use? Trial and error method we are going to use. Okay. Wait. A has na? A is 1000 only na? Correct. Sum number 13. Oh, sorry. A has 800 rupees. Sorry. A has 800 rupees. B has 1000 rupees. Okay. Now come to this point. 3:4:12. Okay. So 25 paise coin ratio is this one, right? Let me take option A. Let me take option A. 900. So what I do is simply 900 by 12 I make. What is 900 by 12? 75. Okay. So 3 into 75. I am doing trial and error method. 3 into 75. There are 225 1 rupee coin. 4 into 75. There are 350 paise coin, 925 paise coin. Now I am going to check whether I am getting total 600 or not. Fine. 225 into 1 rupee, 225. 300 into 50 paise, 150 rupees. 900 into 25 paise, 900 into 25 paise. How much, my dear? 900 25 paise, 225 rupees. 600 rupees. Sir, 900 is the direct answer. Arey, why you have to waste time by using the actual method? These are the word problems. Directly we can do. Okay. Next, sum number 15. What is it? A mixture contains milk and water in the ratio of 5:1. On adding 5 liters of water, the ratio of milk and water becomes 5:2. The quantity of milk in the original mixture. Fine. Let me take option A, trial and error method. Mixture contains milk and water in 5:1 ratio. So, if milk quantity is 25 liters and water quantity is equal to 5 liters. Am I right, my dear? Then only it will be 5:1. On adding 5 liters, I am adding 5 liters of water, because this is milk, this is water. I am adding 5 liters of water. Water quantity becomes 10 liters and milk becomes, remain as it is. Now the ratio is what? 5:2. Yeah, second condition satisfied when I take 25 liters. Answer is over. Next, a sum of money is to be distributed among A, B, C, D in the proportion 5:4:2:4:3. If C gets 1000 rupees more than D, what B share? Oh, fantastic. Listen here, my dear. Now let me take this. Okay. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. What is it, my dear? 14. Total is 14. So, can I say C share is equal to, let me take the common multiple as x. C share is equal to 4x by 14 and D share is equal to 3x by 14, and the question they ask you to find out B share. B share is equal to 2 by 14x. Now we have to find out the value of x. Answer is over. The condition is what? C gets 1000 rupees more than D. That means what? C share is 1000 rupees more than D share. Am I right, my dear? That's it. Bring it to left hand side. This is nothing but 4x minus 3x. X by 14. Can I say x is equal to 14,000? When x is equal to 14,000, B share is equal to 2000 rupees. What is B share? 2000 rupees. That's all, my dear. Next, 1360 rupees have been divided among A, B, C such that A gets 2/3 of B. A gets 2/3 of B and B gets 1/4 of C. Okay, 1/4 of C. Now what is the question? Then what is B share? What is B share? Now look at this. Can I say A by B is equal to 2 by 3, B by C is equal to 1 by 4? Is that right, my dear? We can say that. So A is to B is 2 is to 3, B is to C is equal to 1 is to 4. So what is A is to B is to C? 2 is to 3 is to 12. The question is, what is B share? B share is here. Total 17 rupees means B should get 3 rupees. Is it 3 by 17? Okay, but the question is what 1360 is given, na? Sorry. 3 by 17 into 1360. 80 times. So 240 rupees. 240 rupees. Now 18th question. Now what is 18th question, my dear? See, 1980 are divided among A, B, C, so that half of A's part, 1/3 of B's part and 1/6 of C's part are equal. Look at this. Half of A's part, 1/3 of B's part, 1/6 of C's part are equal. Very simple procedure. They ask you to find out B's part. Look at this. Can I say A is to B is to C equal to 2 is to 3 is to 6? Directly you write. Now they ask you to find out B's part. B is equal to what? 3 by 11, because B's portion is 3 out of 11, but amount is 1980. So into 1980, which is nothing but 180 into 3, which is equal to 540 rupees, my dear. How much it is? 540 rupees. Next, the fourth proportional to the number 60, 48, that is, take it as x. 60x, 48 into 30. 2s are, 24s are. Can I say x is equal to 24? Next, the ratio of the number of boys and girls in a college is 7:8. If the percentage increases in the number of boys and girls is 20% and 10% respectively, what will be the new ratio? Please follow the simple procedure. Don't waste your time. Ratio is 7:8. Na? Let me take number of boys 70, number of girls 80. Now, if the percentage increases in the ratio of boys and girls is 20% and 10%. If 20% boys increases, what is 20% of 70? 14. Then 10% of 80, 8. So 14 boys increases, 8 girls increases. So which is 84, 88. Now find the ratio 84 is to 88, which is nothing but 21 is to 22. Option C, my dear. Next, the mean proportional between 234 and 104 is. So 234 into 104 is equal to square root. If you find out, I think you will be getting 156. Next, ratio of earnings of A and B is 4:7. If the earning of A increase by 50% and those of B decreases by 25%, the new ratio of their earnings become 8:7. What is A's earning? Please, my dear, use trial and error method. That is the best method. Okay, what is it? Use trial and error method. That is the best method. But listen here. In this particular question, there is an option called data inadequate. That means read the question again. Ratio of earning A is to B is 4:7 and increases, decreases given, and earnings become 8:7. Okay. Only they are talking about increment of A amount, that is their income, but expenditure and all not given. Yeah, savings, there is no second condition. Only they are talking about income. By using that, we won't be able to find out. Directly we can mark data inadequate. No sir, I can use trial and error method to get the answer. Of course you can use trial and error method. Of course you can use trial and error method, and none of the options are satisfying this trial and error method. A also not satisfying, B also not satisfying, C also not satisfying. Fine. So directly you can go for data inadequate. That is the best option what you can give. Don't use trial and error method when the conditions are not completely given. Next, the ratio of the number of boys and girls in the school is 3:2. If 20% of the boys and 25% of the girls get scholarship holders, what percentage of students does not get the scholarship? Very simple, my dear. 3:2. For my convenience, let me just take it as there are 30 boys and 20 girls. Yes. How many of them are getting scholarship? Out of 30 boys, 20% of them are getting scholarship. That means scholarship 6 people out of 30 getting, and 25% of 20. What is 25% of 20, my dear? What is 25% of 25? These people, that is these many boys and these many girls are getting scholarship. So how many of them are not getting scholarship? 24 and 15. So what is the question is, what percentage of student does not get the scholarship? Total there is these many people are not getting scholarship. Total how many of them are not getting scholarship? 39 people are not getting scholarship out of 50 students. Into 100, are we getting 78%? Next, 24th sum. What is 24th sum? Carefully listen here, my dear. 60 kg of alloy A is mixed with 100 kg of alloy B. If alloy A has lead and tin in the ratio 3:2 and alloy B has tin and copper in the ratio 1:4, then the amount of tin and new alloy is, okay. So actually this is a very simple sum, my dear. This is actually very simple sum. What exactly happens? Look at this. First alloy 60 kg. How much portion of tin? 60 kg of alloy has got lead and tin 3:2. So 3:2 na, that means lead tin. So lead portion will have 36 kg and the tin portion will be what? 24 kg. Now second alloy 10 kg, 100 kg of alloy. This one has got tin and what? Copper. So what is the ratio? 3:2. 3:2 means, is it 3:2? Yeah. If A has lead and tin 3:2, it's over, sorry. B has the copper 1:4. What is the 1:4? 20 kilogram of tin and 80 kilogram of copper. Then only 1:4 you will get, okay. Then only 1:4 you will get. Then the amount of tin in the new alloy, we need to find out amount of tin in the new alloy, okay. Amount of tin in the new alloy, very simple, my dear. 20 plus 24 is what? 44. Answer is over, because we are going to mix both the alloys, na. So in that alloy, in the first alloy you have got 24 kg of tin, second alloy you got 20 kg of tin, both has to be mixed. So total alloy is what? 44 kg. Next, the ratio of third proportional to 12 and 30 and the mean proportional between 9 and 25 is, okay. Third proportional to 12 and 30 will find out. 30 square is equal to 12x. Am I right, my dear? So what is x is equal to 900 by 12, which is nothing but 75. Mean proportion between 9 and 25. What is it? 9 into 25, which is equal to 3 into 5, 15. So ratio 75 by 15, 5 by 1. So the ratio is 5:1. Next, the prices of scooter and TV are in the ratio 7:5. If the scooter cost 8,000 more than TV set, what is the cost of TV? Don't use any other method, directly use the trial and error method. Take option A, my dear. Okay. TV and scooter is what? 7:5. So here 20,000. TV price is 20,000 rupees. What is it? TV price is 20,000 rupees. That is what I am taking it as an option. If TV price is 20,000, divided by 5 you make. 4,000 is the common multiple. If TV price is 20,000, scooter will be 28,000 rupees. Now let me check the second condition. If the scooter cost 8,000 rupees more than TV, yes, scooter cost 8,000 rupees more than TV. So option A satisfy our condition. Answer is over. Am I right, my dear? Answer is over. Okay. Now sum number 27. What is it? Sum number 27. What is it? Carefully you do. Given that 24 karat of gold is pure gold, 18 karat of gold is 3/4 of the gold, and 20 karat is 5/6 of the gold. The ratio of the pure gold is 18 karat gold to the pure gold in 20 karat gold. See, listen here. Very simple procedure. Given that 24 karat of the gold in pure gold is what? 24 karat is the pure gold. 18 karat gold is what? 3/4. It has got 3/4 gold. And 20 carat has got what? 5/6 gold. They ask you to find out the ratio. Find out the ratio, my dear. Sir, LCM is 24, sir. Sorry, 12, sir. Multiply the numerator by 12. So what you'll get? 9:10. See, LCM is 12. So 3s are 2s are 9:10 is our answer. Next, amount of 2430 is divided among A, B and C such that if their shares is reduced by 5 rupees, 10 rupees and 15 rupees, then remainder share shall be in the ratio 3:4:5. What is the B share? Very simple question. See, total how much is getting reduced? 30 rupees. So, after getting reduced by 30 rupees, the amount is 2400 and it is divided among 3 people in the ratio 3:4:5. Is that right? 3:4:5. So, find. What is the question? B share they ask you to find out. So, B share is what? 4 by total 7 plus 5, 12. If 12 rupees I have got, B will get 4 rupees. But I have got 2400 rupees. So, 800 rupees. Wow. Sir, can I mark option as 800? No, it is wrong. Actually, after reduction of 10 rupees only, I am getting 800 rupees. So, I have to add the 10 rupees here. Look at this. 10 rupees to be added. My answer is 810. Now, A and B are two alloys of gold and copper prepared by making metals in the ratio 7:2, 7:11 respectively. If the total quantities, what is it, my dear? If the total quantities of the alloys are melted to form a third alloy C, the ratio of the gold and copper in the third alloy. Okay, fine. Listen here. Copper C. In C will be, look at this. A and B are the two alloys. What is it? Gold and copper. So, how much percent of gold in the first alloy? 7/9. First alloy, that is A. Copper is 2/9. Second alloy, gold is 7/18. Copper is 11/18. Now the question is, third part, that is C alloy, na? C means what? We are mixing both. So add both of them. 7/9 in 9 plus 7/18, which is nothing but, sir, LCM is 18, sir. 2. 14 plus 7, 21/18. And this one is going to be what? 4, 15/18. So if I find the ratio, 18 get cancelled, 7/5. See how simply we are doing the problems, huh? Now next one. A piece of string 40 centimeters long, it is cut into 3 pieces. Okay, 40 meters, 1, 2, 3, is cut into 3 meters. The longest piece is 3 times as long as the middle size and the shortest piece is 23 centimeters shorter than the longest piece. The length of the shortest piece. Best method, trial and error method. Don't take 27 meter only. Because 27 centimeter not possible at all. Sir, why, sir? Because total is 40 centimeter, shortest cannot be 27 centimeter. So leave it. Okay. Now take me 5 centimeter. So if shortest is 5 centimeter, medium and longest. So shortest is 5 centimeter, longest is going to be 28 centimeter. Do you all agree, my dear? Because 23 centimeter. So medium is going to be what is the condition for medium? The longest piece is 3 times as long as the middle sized. Okay. Now if middle size remaining is what? 7 I am getting. So this is not 3 times, actually this is 4 times. Therefore option B also not possible. Take 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So longest will be 27 centimeter and this is 9 centimeter. I think all the conditions satisfied. 3 times the longest, middle size. Longest is what? 3 times the medium one. And 23. All the conditions are satisfied. My answer is 4 centimeter, my dear. So that's all with our assignment problems. Thank you.